this video, my girlfriend's challenging me to a 1-game match. Stakes are high, but only for me. She gets to bowl no tap, I'm bowling regular, $5 per pin. What does your shirt say?
I'm so good.
Are you?
I don't know about today, but...
Oh, come on. Not only is she gonna have no tap, I don't get a 10th frame, so I get 9 frames. She gets 10. It's gonna be literally impossible for me to win this match. The shopping spree is gonna be quite expensive.
I'm very excited. I think I know what I want this time.
You don't sound excited at all.
No, I am.
It's too early, she's not awake yet.
I'm nervous.
Let's bowl.
Oh no! You said not right at 5.
I'm gonna be crunching numbers in my head when it comes down the stretch and then forget that I don't get a 10th frame. I don't remember if I mentioned this, but we're not bowling on a house shot. Evident by her ball almost bowling by the 3-pin.
Oh no!
She's being nice to me. Curve. They don't hook out there. What happens if I win?
I'll buy you lunch today.
Motivation. I like food. 1. All right, tie ball game, 8-8. It's gotta go.
No.
Right.
Oh my God.
I'm glad that fell down. I don't have to change
Thank
the
you.
score. Maybe I'm not close enough to the hook. Yes. Still tied. Yeah, this is the ideal situation for me. We tie, I don't spend any money.
Retire, you still buy lunch.
What? I buy lunch every time anyways. Whoosh. Are you serious? You literally just have to hit the one in the front. Uh-oh.
Yikes.
Oh, what do we do? We've hit the pocket a combined total of once so far. Oh, that's close.
Oh,
Quick return. He's back in the game.
I thought that was good.
I thought that was good too. They're really hard.
I'm scared for the spare.
Just get the count. Oh, she might spare it. Oh!
Get the count.
You didn't go for the count. All right, we just get away from the gutter. The gutter clearly doesn't want us to play there. What are we bowling on? Oh my God.
I'm not having fun.
I don't know what to do. Through 4, Jana's up 7, $35. Wow. A 1-mark deficit has never felt like so much.
Oh no.
Is this entertaining? Nope.
It's like every time I go a little to the left, too much. I went too much right, not enough.
That's what happens when they're really hard.
I don't know what to do.
Go Brooklyn. I wasn't ready for this. I tried to cook them up to the right. Didn't have a strong ball to cook them up though. Hit the pocket. What a spare.
Sheesh, that was the scariest spare.
I'm moving back to the right.
Yeah.
No tap, right?
Only me, sorry.
I might not break 150. Oh.
I have a chance. I have a chance. Woo.
I'm in a very fragile place right now. I'm really trying to focus on my physical game because I haven't been practicing. That's usually when I miss spares the most.
Oh, double
that's gonna strike.
dribble. Woo.
Counts as a strike. Oh my God, I'm down $100. All right, I'm trying now.
I want leggings. Like I know what I want. That was a nice shot.
Thanks. Pain. Ow, pain. Oh my God.
Maybe the challenge should have been both no tap.
And I don't get a 10th frame. Can I get my 10th frame?
No.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so expensive. I literally need them all. I forgot I didn't have a 10th frame. If I get them all, I have 170.
Oh.
Oh no. We expense this, right? But she's going for the spare ball.
This is what I learned.
Certainly the one spare that I wouldn't throw straight at.
Nope, didn't work.
I wonder who you learned that from. Your boy still got a chance. If I get them all, we can call this a wash. That's close. That wasn't really close. That's pretty lucky, actually. Fill frames, fill frames. Jan is basically up 10. She gave some back, but I don't get a 10th frame, so it's another 30 pins. So she's essentially at 40.
I'm not having fun.
What do you think I feel?
I should be beating you by a lot.
But they're really hard.
By picking up these easy spares.
This is like the hardest they've ever been.
But spares is not hard.
You're right. Oh no.
Woo! That was smooth.
Oh yeah. Oh! Not a single spare has been convincing this game.
Oh. My God! No!
I can see it now. What kind of pro bowler are you?
This is the worst game I've ever bowled.
Well, to be fair, we hit the pocket a combined total of like 4 times. Oh my God, it's aced.
Thank you, Jesus.
Oh, no. Is it gonna be a $300 swing? It doesn't even matter what I do here. Strike doesn't matter.
I'm not doing good. Like, I wanna say it so bad.
That was literally the worst case.
Okay, babe, let's wrap it up. You got this. Keep it on the lane.
What's even worse was that was the best one off my hand. Can I get my 10th frame? Can I get the 10th frame?
No.
What's the guy got to do to get his 10th frame? I got 120. If she punches out, that's 179. Almost $300. I can't watch.
She took a re-rack.
Took a re-rack for the pocket she's not going to hit?
There's no 7-pin.
Oh.
Wait, you just said I'm not gonna hit the pocket?
Prove me wrong. Oh my God, why did that get 9? This is
I'm so good. I bet you that one scared you.
I bet you that scared you more than me.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That was supposed to get 5.
That was supposed to go in the gutter.
This one's gonna get 9, guaranteed.
I'm actually so good. I do it every time when it really matters. Okay.
You're sleeping on the couch.
Joke's on you. The couch is comfy.
This is literally the exchange every time something happens, except I'm on the couch, and then I say the couch is comfy.
But then I join you.
Guys, I swear, I didn't bowl bad on purpose. I'm just bad.
Oh. Winner. Winner. You almost had it.
No 10th frame. What idea was that?
To be fair though, I thought you were gonna beat me by a lot.
How much is that? 59. That's $295.
Oh my gosh, I could get 2 leggings.